Hi Bacho, in this video I'm going to tell you what is WHO's 2025 recommendation for active management of third stage of labor. Now, in active management of third stage of labor, there are 3 steps which are recommended by WHO. Number 1, injection uterotonic immediately after the delivery of the baby. The uterotonic which is recommended by WHO is oxytocin, 10 international units. WHO says that if the IV line of the patient is in place, then you have to give 10 international units of oxytocin IV, slow IV over 1 to 2 minutes. But if IV line is not secured, then you have to go for intramuscular oxytocin. The important point is oxytocin should be given only if you are able to maintain the cold chain of oxytocin. If oxytocin cold chain cannot be maintained, then the second one which is recommended by WHO is carbetocin. You can give carbetocin 100 micrograms IV or IM. And number 3 drug which is recommended by WHO is mesoprost, orally 400 micrograms or 600 micrograms. So 3 uterotonics recommended by WHO in AMTSL: oxytocin, carbetocin and mesoprost. Please remember that there are uterotonics which are not recommended by WHO. They are no longer recommended. What are those? Number 1, methyl ergometrin. Methyl ergometrin is now taken to management of PPH. It is no longer used for AMTSL. Number 2, carboprost. Number 3, symptometrin, which is a fixed dose combination of methyl ergometrin and oxytocin. And number 4, tranexamic acid. These are 4 uterotonics which are no longer recommended for active management of third stage of labor. The second step which WHO recommends is delayed cord clamping, that is clamping the cord within 1 to 3 minutes. Please remember, this is the preferred mode of cord clamping. WHO says that early cord clamping has to be done only and only if the baby is having asphyxia and it requires neonatal resuscitation. Early cord clamping is not included in active management of third stage of labor. Third step is delivery of the placenta. WHO says that when you are doing cesarean section, the preferred mode of delivery of the placenta should be controlled cord traction. In vaginal delivery, you should do controlled cord traction only if a skilled birth attendant is available. Right? As far as the 4th step is concerned, which earlier was uterine massage is no longer a part of active management of third stage of labor. Intermittent assessment of uterine tone anyways, beta, you have to do in 4th stage. Right? So WHO is not including it in third stage, but yes, it is there in 4th stage.